Hey guys, today let's learn how to go ahead and have the great 2024 greetings over on your story. So if you guys are wondering how to thank 2024, basically this template over on your story, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and how to teach you guys how to add this on your story. So if you want to go ahead and do this, go ahead and watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the Instagram application. And from here I want you to go ahead and search for a specific username, which is the Add Yours Sticks. Now what this is going to show you is it's going to show you a bunch of different templates of the Add Yours, including, when you tap on their highlights right here, the Add Yours Thank You 2023. So as you would notice, we have it right here. All we need to do is to tap on Add Yours, and then you will now have the template available for you to add your own photos on here if you want to go ahead and also do it as a layout. You could also do so, and it's that easy, guys. So go ahead and take a snap, and then do the same with the following photos, and it's that it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.